Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on the highlights of the week on the Jocelyn case. Bible, Ukeli, guys, uze on the trial within a trial, Ukeli, Umaga Jocelyn, Kelly Smith. Judge Nathan was like, no, Sissy, it's fine. I'm making that decision. Uyagula, and you're not necessarily involved in this case. Because now you saw during the week, mostly it's investigative officers who were involved in this case who are now testifying also to see ukuthi all those confessions now are admissible now in court, especially laba uBhuta beno Stefano Marco accused ahambisana noKelly Smith umaka Jocelyn. So umaka Jocelyn hasn't been fine. She hasn't been fine, actually. She hasn't been fine. So last year she was like not fine. She was puking all over the place there. But she went out running ihlanza in court, vomiting. Wahamba wayaphandle. So Judge Nathan was like, Sissy, it is fine, but you're not necessarily involved in the trial. We didn't trial gangago. You don't have to be here. So you can just take your time. Bambone, you know. So uJudge Nathan ke wayenza ke leyo specific ruling ukuthi ene he was informed ukuthi accused number 3 Kelly is not fine and she needs medical attention. And during the week, Judge Nathan stunned a lot of people, including me. I was like, hey, well, judge, guys, I'm a medals. I did mention, guys, how I feel about him 2 weeks ago. I like him a lot. He's like the best. Oh my gosh. Like, you know what I like also about him? Almost defense and do stuff to defense and say things to defense to a point where you feel to bias. Uyabonakala phela uratha nje uyabonakala ukuthi ufavor state uratha. Like there's no question about it. Nathan is not even on the tip. He is not even there. He's in another level like K1 and I love that level. Nathan, guys, I think he's one of the best so far. Are you Emma? Hi guys. Masikhumana nawe ngeke kuzingathi lo wagogo. Hey suka. Alright guys, we have to compare. Just look how Nathan said Kelly fanele ahambe ayothola medical attention. Uyakhumbula uratha mayigula defense uratha doesn't care. Mayigula once accused number 1 wayigula. It took him forever uratha. Even the way Nathan will put it, it's not the same as how uratha would put it. He doesn't show any empathy uratha in anything. Oh, I went crazy on that video foot. I remember very well. Ngathi nje how lo baba umuntu egula like why will make it up ukuthi ngiyagula, like why una always in court kodwa kwathi egula uPinky Valda Lingem iofficial yase Vodacom esekhwehlela watho ngathi futhi lalela it's not even your job to give her sick leave. Umsebenzi wase Vodacom lo hayi wakho. Wathaya ngahlala uPinky inathalo baba. Buka nje uNathan how he handled indaba kaKelly ukuthi uyagula. He did well there.